What's up, everybody? This is Bass in Bama. Today is January the 23rd, 2017. I know you all can tell from my intro that it's raining. It's been raining here in Alabama for the past week, and I haven't been able to do any fishing. So I decided I'll just do the unboxing of the January Lucky Tackle Box. I'm gonna try to do this video as quick as possible, but at the same time go through each lure with a little detail. So let me get started. Right here we have a card that came in this box, just going over some of the stuff some of the new stuff for the 2017. I'm not gonna read it because I'm pretty sure some of the guys that did they lucky tackle box have already read this card, so I'm not gonna read it. Move on. This is the card that goes over everything that's in this box, and I'm gonna read everything straight off the box, straight off this card. And the first thing we have is from Throwback Lures, the Wagon Shag, which retail at $9.99. This is a little small crankbait. It dives up to 10 feet. The color pattern of this one is Ghost Minnow. This is a small crankbait, but it dives up to 10 feet. Next on the list is the Tail Gunner from BY. It retails for $5.99. This is a 4.5-inch swim bait. It don't have the color on it, but it looked like a purple silver looking color. Has a big wide tail and a little small fin under the bottom. Next we have the Rage Craw from Strike King. It retails at $5.49. I always wanted to try out the Rage Craw, or pretty much try anything from Rage Tail. These Rage Craw, they have a coffee scent, and what I like about these, they can be pretty much fished any kind of way. But I know my man, I'll be fishing it Texas rig or either on a shaky head. These are in the green pumpkin color. we have a spoon from Cash Day. It retails for $4.99. Now I never thrown a spoon a day in my life because I do a lot of bank fishing, and I always thought a spoon just wouldn't work from the bank. But I watched a few videos and you can fish it from the bank, so I will give it a try. As you can see, it's chrome blue with a little yellow. To me, those are the sexy shad colors. I will be giving it a try probably when I get back out, because it's gonna be cold when I get back out, so more likely I'll try it when I get back out. Next we have the big mouth round being worm hook from Mustad. They retail for $3.99. Three in a pack. These are the 3-aught. And everybody know Mustad make some great hooks. Next we have the Mega Crank from Live Target. It retails for $17.99. Now this one bait right here is over half of what I pay for the box. This is a deep diving crankbait. It dives up to 20 feet. It's 3.5 inches. Weigh 1 3/8 ounce. And the color pattern is Ghost, Perlision, Shad. That's a big crankbait. This is the second big deep diving crankbait that I've received from Lucky Tackle Box. I like the details on this crankbait. How it look like a little school of fish. I never really fish with I never fish with deep diving crankbait because I do a lot of my fishing from the bank. But I am doing I will be doing a lot more stuff this year, so I will be able to try these big deep diving crankbaits. And next, last but not least, is we have a crankbait from Yozuri. It retails for $7.99. Yozuri makes some cool baits, man. They put a lot of detail in they bait also. This is a small square bill crankbait. Let me get some details on this. It dives 3 to 5 feet. 2 3/4 inches. Weigh 9 and 16 ounce. Next we have the Lucky Tackle Box sticker, the American flag. I think that's cool. I'll find somewhere to stick it on. And the golden ticket, which wasn't a winner. Mine wasn't a winner, and I want to congratulate all the winners for this month. Golden ticket winners, congratulations. And that'll do it with this unboxing, and I'm gonna end this video. And I want to thank you all for taking your time to watch this video. And I want to tell you all, if you ain't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. If you already subscribed, share my channel. Comment if you need to. And like always, stay blessed. And I will see you next time.